Welcome to the mesmerizing world of mushroom production. Today, we'll take you on an in-depth journey to explore the fascinating industrial process of how mushrooms are grown, harvested, and processed to reach your local grocery store shelves. Get ready for an immersive experience that will unveil the secrets behind the mushroom production process. It all starts with the humble mushroom spores. These tiny reproductive cells are carefully harvested and processed to create the starting material for growing mushrooms on a commercial scale. The next step is preparing the mushroom substrate. The substrate is a nutrient-rich material that provides the ideal conditions for mushrooms to grow. It's typically made from a mixture of organic materials like straw, wood chips, and other agricultural byproducts, which are carefully sterilized to create a sterile environment for mushroom growth. Once the substrate is ready, it's time for the mushroom spawning process. This involves inoculating the substrate with mushroom spores, which are carefully distributed evenly throughout the substrate. The spores then start to grow and develop into mycelium, the intricate network of thread-like structures that form the root system of the mushrooms. The mushrooms are then carefully grown in a controlled environment to ensure optimal conditions for their growth. This includes regulating temperature, humidity, and light levels to create the perfect environment for mushroom development. The perfect environment for mushroom development. It's a delicate and precise process that requires constant monitoring and adjustments to create the ideal conditions for mushroom growth. Did you know that different mushroom species have their unique growing requirements? Some prefer warmer temperatures, while others thrive in cooler conditions. Some mushrooms require specific light exposure, while others grow best in complete darkness. The mushroom production process is tailored to meet the specific needs of different mushroom species, making it a truly remarkable and diverse field. As the mycelium grows, it eventually forms mushroom pins, which then develop into mature mushrooms. The process of mushrooms fruiting or forming the fruiting body is a fascinating sight to behold. These intricate and delicate structures emerge from the substrate, and their growth is carefully monitored and managed to ensure optimal size and quality. Once the mushrooms have reached their desired size and maturity, it's time for harvesting. There are several types of machines used in the mushroom harvesting process, each with its unique features and capabilities. Let's take a closer look at some of them. One common type of mushroom harvesting machine is a conveyor belt-based system. As the mature mushrooms grow on a substrate, the conveyor belt gently moves through the growing beds, collecting the mushrooms into containers or trays. The speed of the conveyor belt can be adjusted to ensure optimal harvesting without causing any harm to the mushrooms or the growing substrate. Another innovative technology used in mushroom harvesting is robotic systems. These machines use advanced computer vision and artificial intelligence to identify and selectively harvest mature mushrooms. With precision sensors and cameras, the robots can accurately determine the readiness of each mushroom, plucking it from the substrate with minimal impact. The process of washing mushrooms in an industrial setting is a crucial step in ensuring that the mushrooms are clean, safe, and ready for consumption. Advanced washing machines are used to thoroughly clean the harvested mushrooms, removing any dirt, debris, or residual substrate that may be present. There are several types of mushroom washing machines that are used in the industry, each with its unique features and capabilities. Let's take a closer look at some of them. One common type of mushroom washing machine is a conveyor belt-based system. The harvested mushrooms are fed onto the conveyor belt, which moves them through a series of washing stations. These stations are equipped with sprayers that emit a gentle shower of water, carefully washing the mushrooms and removing any dirt or debris. Another type of mushroom washing machine is a tumbling system. In this process, the harvested mushrooms are loaded into a rotating drum or tumbler, which is equipped with nozzles that spray water onto the mushrooms from various angles. The tumbling action of the drum helps to agitate and cleanse the mushrooms, ensuring a thorough wash. After the mushrooms are washed, they are carefully inspected for quality and sorted to remove any damaged or discolored mushrooms. This step ensures that only the freshest and cleanest mushrooms make it to the final packaging stage. They are transported to a slicing machine. These machines are designed to quickly and uniformly slice the mushrooms into the desired thickness, depending on the requirements of the final product. The sliced mushrooms are then collected and prepared for further processing. After the slicing process, the sliced mushrooms are carefully packaged for distribution. They may be packaged in trays, containers, or vacuum-sealed bags, depending on the intended use and market demand. The packaging is done with precision to ensure freshness and quality of the mushrooms, ready to be shipped to local grocery stores and other markets. This may involve cleaning, sorting, and packaging the mushrooms to meet the desired specifications and quality standards. And there you have it, the fascinating world of mushroom production. From the meticulous harvesting and substrate preparation to the careful washing and packaging, every step of the industrial process is carried out with precision to ensure the highest quality and safety standards for the mushrooms we enjoy on our tables. We hope you've enjoyed this captivating journey into the behind-the-scenes operations of mushroom production. We've learned how mushrooms are grown in controlled environments, how the substrate is prepared, how they are harvested and carefully washed, and how they are packaged for distribution to local grocery stores and markets. From the skilled workers who meticulously handle and care for the mushrooms at every stage of the process, to the advanced machines that streamline the operations, mushroom production is a fascinating blend of science, technology, and craftsmanship. Next time you enjoy mushrooms in your meals, take a moment to appreciate the intricate process that goes into bringing these delicious and nutritious fungi to your plate. We hope you've gained a newfound appreciation for the fascinating world of mushroom production. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more captivating content on our channel. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the industrial process of mushroom production. Stay tuned for more exciting videos coming up on our channel. Until then, happy mushroom eating!